Hello, I took this picture in Gethia. It's a small village in Nainital. This is a Himalayan daisy. Let's start. I've drawn the flower and now I am securing the flower and the stem with some masking fluid. Now that the masking fluid is completely dry, I will start giving a wash with just water. This helps wet the paper and mixing of the colors. I was scrolling through my pictures for inspiration and ideas. I felt this could make a good watercolor painting. Most interesting part of this picture is the background. Even if it is blur, it looks very busy. There are so many colors of grass in there, browns, greens, blues, yellows. I am just roughly applying all the colors to the paper. If you observe the motion of the strokes here, I'm trying to be a little expressive. Keep in mind that this is not a realistic painting. This is more of a representation. But the pictures and photographs do give you a lot of clues to work with. Now I'm adding a bit of a salt to this while the paint is wet. I've added a bit too much. While the paper is wet, I'm lifting some of the color off to give the effect of the blurry grass and twigs in the background. Once the paper is completely dry, gently remove the salt and the masking fluid and start with the center. This bit is fairly simple. I'm not too happy with the texture that the salt has left because I added too much. But I'm going to keep this and hopefully improve the next time. For the petals, if you don't feel very confident, try making a rough sketch before you start the actual painting. The more water you add to the brush, the more transparent or translucent it's going to seem. I'm also defining the shapes of the petals with the darker pigment. Now I'm adding a bit of a darker tone near the neck of the flower to create contrast. And that is that. Hope you enjoyed watching. Do give this a go and I will see you next time.